Beautiful corner one-story two-halves villa with a private fenced wood deck patio to entertain your guests, located in a very quiet community. Lushly landscaped entrance to tile floors in the living area and laminate flooring in the bedrooms. Vaulted ceilings in living area and master bedroom, split floor plan, updated bathrooms, interior washer and dryer located right off the kitchen, ample storage space, linen closets and a storage utility closet. Use FHA financing. Brand new roof. Newly painted interior and exterior. 2 assigned parking spaces right in front. Well-maintained neighborhood includes a community pool. Excellent Sunrise location that is walking distance to Welleby Elementary School in the city of Sunrise, recreation facilities, pool, and library. Close proximity.